And welcome, folks. We are now down to Wednesday, the middle of the week. Let's check it out for Alexandria. Still seeing some clouds out there. A little sun trying to get through there in the clouds. A little traffic moving back and forth. Otherwise, it's a decent evening out there. And we kind of see the same situation up toward Natchez. Maybe a little bit more cloudiness there. Don't see the sun peeking through. And temperatures, of course, will remain in the upper 50s in that direction. There's a warm front kind of bisecting the area. All right, weather headlines. First of all, we've got to get through Thursday storms, and the payoff will be a weekend that's looking pretty good. I got the details in your 7-day forecast. Right now, we're tracking the rain. Most of that is off to the west and to the north of us. We did have a little rain across portions of Cenla here for today. And as far as the rainfall forecast is concerned, for tomorrow, look forward to start developing in Texas first, and then kind of head this way, moving toward the east and the northeast. Satellite and radar showing, look at this little twist right here across Arizona and New Mexico, right in there. That's an upper low. You see a pretty clear line right there, and then we immediately go into clouds. This undoubtedly is a signature of a short wave in the atmosphere, kind of a ripple of energy, if you will, moving through the area. That's why we had a little rain yesterday and today in places here in Cenla. All right, let's go beyond this to the storm potential for your Thursday. We've outlooked an area here across much of East Texas, all of Louisiana, just about South Arkansas and western Mississippi. Here's the western edge of the fast upper level flow, and that is impinging on increasing instability and moisture here from the Gulf of Mexico, and that is a recipe for some severe storms. We'll have a warm front involved, we'll have a cold front coming in later, and so all that will kind of stir it up for your Thursday. So stepping you through the day, by Thursday morning, notice that we'll see the area organizing to the west of us in Texas. And once we get into the afternoon, it will move into central Louisiana and continue to organize. And once we get into the evening, it will begin to move out of central Louisiana. And then we'll see a pretty quick return toward good conditions on Friday. So let me step it through you on a high resolution model right here focused on central Louisiana, kind of step you through the next couple of days at important times during your lifestyle. So for Thursday morning commute, maybe a few stray showers and sprinkles and some clouds. Once we get into the evening hours for the PM commute, yeah, things will be rocking and rolling pretty good across the area. At least some scattered showers and thunderstorms. We may see that organize into a line and then pass through our southeastern parishes. And by Friday morning, we're seeing things improve quite a bit throughout the day Friday. Only a 20% chance of rain for Friday morning. Nothing during the PM hours there for Friday. All right, let's go beyond this into your severe weather outlook. This is the area from the Storm Prediction Center, which includes all of central Louisiana in this slight or category 2 of 5 here across the area. So here are some details. I like to use the bars, kind of give you a relative threat level here. This is overall because kind of the sum of all 3 of the bars, not supposed to exceed the overall or something like that. But my emphasis is wind is the main threat, thunderstorm wind. The flood, hail, and tornado threat is about the same. It's pretty low there for all of those. And I've got some percentages to come up. So what to expect in Cenla from this next severe weather possibility. The threat level, again, slight, 2 out of 5. That's limited in scope and severity. Don't see any upper level high enhanced events with this. Now there is one key factor that is a pretty big positive with this, and that's the vertical wind profile there. We'll have low level shear and deep layer shear to kind of organize the storms. Low level shear usually induces the updraft rotation that you need for tornadoes. But there's a key negative factor, and that's the instability. This air is not the juiciest and not the highest octane fuel that I've seen, certainly by any stretch of the imagination. So we're hoping that that will keep down the potential to that level 2 out of 5 and not allow it to overachieve. Wind will be the most common mode at about 15%. Now remember, that is the probability of an occurrence of a severe wind event defined as 60 miles per hour or higher or damage that would be associated with that type of wind within 25 miles of any point in CENTLA, like your home, your business, or your school. Now, hail, less than 5%, tornadoes, about 5% there. And so those are secondary threats. And then monitor your weather sources. Nick and I will be keeping you informed with that. Here's the rainfall dimension there Thursday through early Friday. A 100% chance of you're getting wet. This will be one of the situations that will sweep through central Louisiana with the cold front coming through. Common amounts, maybe about a ½ inch to up to 1.5 inches, but 2 to 3 inches will be possible in some locations if we can get some training of echoes, some training of the storms moving over the same area, repeat action over the same area more than one time. And so we could see that 2 to 3 inch total there. And there'll be some pretty brisk rainfall rates. 1 to 2 inches in an hour or less could be certainly possible. And are you wondering about the cold? Some folks I've seen they've been asking about where's the cold air? And that's going to be the case in our 7-day forecast. Where is the cold air? Because it's not going to be there. So yesterday, coldest air was over southern Canada, and we'll continue to see the upper level pattern unfavorable for the cold air to dip into central Louisiana anytime soon. So that's good news. All right, now here is the 7-day forecast without further delay. A lot going on Thursday. I got the severe threat. It's be kind of a windy day. With that strong weather system to the west of us, I would expect southerly winds gusting 25 to 35 miles per hour there. And there's a 100% chance of rain. It'll be a warm day as well with highs in the 70s. Quick turnaround there by Friday, though. A little bit cooler on Friday. Rain chance only 20% early in the morning. And now here's your splendid weekend coming up. Enjoy that. It'll be cool in the mornings, but the afternoons will be tremendous, glorious. And we deserve that. All right, going into Monday, looks like we stay dry on Monday. And then for Tuesday, Wednesday, with an increase in moisture, we've got an increase in clouds and had to throw in about 10-20% rain chances. But you notice there's really no cold weather. We're done with the freezes for a while in this forecast. Okay, that's it, folks. Thanks for being with me. And Nick Mikulas will be with you in the morning with the live stream. Don't know about my PM live stream. Depends on what the severe coverage is like, if there are any tornado warnings or anything like that. But needless to say, I'll be doing updates for my Facebook page there as well. So Nick and I keeping you informed. All right, take care, and hope you have a terrific Thursday.